on the scalp by implanting hair into it. So I do take an important tact, if you will, or insight into blood flow, because obviously, as I said, poor blood flow is either a symptom or problem or trigger for a lot of dysregulation in many different organs. And so I'm a keen advocate of nitric oxide supplementation. I use it myself. I feel like, and I'm sure you know, in the world of men's health, blood flow is the key to a lot of function below the belt. And I think above the ears as well. So and that includes the brain, hopefully. We do test many of our patients for nitric oxide depletion. We do the testing developed by Dr. Nathan Bryan. We do supplement with capsules and lozenges. I'm a huge advocate of the powder that goes right into the water bottles and such. I use that as a pre-workout, and there's no question that I feel the pump, differently in a workout regimen when I do that. And I know that blood flow is critical for healing. So is it the primary cause?